Welcome to 207 Washington Lane in lovely Locust, New Jersey. I'm your host, Dr. Carly York with Resources Real Estate, and this is your open house recap. This beautiful home is located directly across the street from Hartshorne Woods of the Monmouth County Park system. It is secluded and pristine and tranquil in its environment. There is a working wood-burning fireplace, and the floors are hardwood throughout the entire home. The first floor includes a large living room, formal dining room, and an eat-in kitchen. I personally love the open concept floor plan and the abundance of windows and French doors leading out to the magical wooded backyard. And there's great access and sight lines between the formal dining room and the kitchen. The formal dining room also features a beautiful bay window, and the kitchen features lovely skylights and stainless steel appliances. Also on the first floor are 2 bedrooms and a full bathroom. There's ample closet space throughout the entire first level of the home. Upstairs, the large master bedroom features 2 walk-in closets and an ensuite bathroom. The bathroom has a large soaking tub, double vanity, and a shower stall. The second floor has 2 additional bedrooms, each with their own large closet and big bright windows. There is a second full bathroom on the second floor. This home also features a full finished basement. The basement walks out to the yard, and it has its own full bathroom and a working laundry room. There is a natural creek running through the mountain hills surrounding this home with its own little pond. The creek empties into nearby Clay Pit Creek, also part of Monmouth County Park system. Thank you so much for joining me today at 207 Washington Lane in Locust, New Jersey. If you'd like to take a tour of this lovely home in person, please give me a call at 732-212-0440.